Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The Lord appeared as the son of Sudavi, the wife of King Nabi, and was known as Rishabdev. He performed materialistic yoga to equibalance the mind. This stage is also accepted as the highest perfectional situation of liberation, wherein one is situated in one's self and is completely satisfied. Out of many types of mystic performances for self-realization, the process of Jhana Yoga is also one accepted by authorities. This Jhana Yoga involves practicing becoming like a dumb stone and not being affected by material reactions. Just as a stone is indifferent to all kinds of attacks and re-attacks of external situations, similarly one practices Jhana Yoga by tolerating voluntary infliction of pain upon the material body. Such yogis, out of many self-infliction methods, practice plucking out the hairs on their heads, without shaving and without any instrumental help. But the real purpose of such Jhana Yoga practice is to get free from all material affection and to be completely situated in the self. At the last stage of his life, Emperor Rishabdeva wandered like a dumb madman, unaffected by all kinds of bodily mistreatment. Seeing him like a madman, wandering naked with long hair and a long beard, less intelligent children and men in the street used to spit on him and urinate on his body. He used to lie in his own stool and never move. But the stool of his body was fragrant like the smell of fragrant flowers, and a saintly person would recognize him as a Paramhamsa, one in the highest state of human perfection. One who is not able to make his stool fragrant should not, however, imitate Emperor Rishabdev. The practice of Jhana Yoga was possible for Rishabdev and others on the same level of perfection, but such an uncommon practice is impossible for an ordinary man. The real purpose of Jhana Yoga, as mentioned here in this verse, is prashanta karana, or subduing the senses. The whole process of yoga, under whatever heading it may be, is to control the unbridled material senses and thus prepare oneself for self-realization. In this age specifically, this Jhana Yoga cannot be of any practical value, but on the other hand, the practice of Bhakti Yoga is feasible because it is just suitable for this age. The simple method of hearing from the right source, Srimad Bhagwatam, will lead one to the highest perfectional stage of yoga. Rishabdev was the son of King Nabi and the grandson of King Agnidra, and he was the father of King Bharat, after whose name this planet Earth was called Bharatvarsha. Rishabdev's mother was also known as Merudevi, although her name is mentioned here as Sudavi. It is sometimes proposed that Sudavi was another wife of King Nabi, but since King Rishabdev is mentioned elsewhere as the son of Merudevi, it is clear that Merudevi and Sudavi are the same person under different names.